I walked across the hallway and then I entered out this door, and then this leads me to the dog park. I did want you to see that. So it is outside. It's on a just a kind of a really almost a hidden side street that's here. So that's Lemon over there. The front of the building is pretty much kind of, I guess kind of right here, and then turn right, and then McKinney Avenue is over there. So this is the dog park. You do have a waste facility here, and then this is where you grab bags as well. And then here is the actual park. So it's not compact. I'd say it's just just kind of just right. It's not really that big, but it's I think it's enough to take care of business here, and it does have a gate as well. So just wanted you to see it. I'm going to walk around it just a little bit so you can see a little bit more of it. Does have a fire hydrant there, and then there's a bench that's right over there. So that's what the dog park looks like, and then this is the outside of the building. All right, let's walk in and see some more.